it's Team 5. So today we're gonna be doorbell ditching. It's pretty lit. All right, who wants to be in? All right, Lauren.
So tonight we have just been hanging out with the Team 5, Zack, Carleigh, Max, Ethan, and right now we are traveling to our dearest friend's house. Zack, take the phone.
All right.
Did not know my name for some reason.
I remember that. He was like talking to Ethan.
Okay,
He said Ronaldo and Ethan. So it's me and Ethan. We have a basketball game in a week.
We have a basketball game in a week.
It's getting pretty good. Our team's gonna be pretty cool.
All right, so we're about to be doorbell ditching, and we'll see you there. It's pretty litastical. All right, so here's the problem. Like, we saw someone and we got scared, so we ran away.
Now we are doing Ryan Irvine's, and Zack's going to take the phone and video it. Hey, go. Zack, you go.
Wait, Ethan, go on. We're the team here, all right?
I have to hold it.
Oh, great. This is gonna be great, guys. This is Ethan. I have a basketball game in a week. We may not survive, but all I want you to know, follow Team 5. Yes. Go. Ring it. Goodbye. Ditch. Bolt. Yes, bolt guy. Bolt guy. My name is Trey. Basketball game tomorrow. Bolt.
Okay, guys, we're good.
Whew. Here you go.
I called that one pretty successful. We're really tired. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty lit. It actually scared me, like actually. Are you following us?
Tomorrow.
Don't follow. Oh God, he stopped. I think he knows you're being us. Oh. Well, I thought he was like following us. That didn't go so well. Rip. Currently, we're trying to find a house to like ding dong ditch.
We're going
but
back home.
we're supposed to ding dong just 3 people.
Great.
Look at this buzzkill. Look at this buzzkill.
Whoa. Not good. Not gonna be good.
How long is this?
You know what?
B-Max?
Did you ask?
We're gonna doorbell ditch some other people. Let's go, Zack. All right.
What? Dude, Max.
We're ding dong
That's
ditching.
the only. Dude, we do it once.
Looks like I'm the only one who actually wants to do stuff around here. So, yeah. Oh my God, my cheeks are freezing. Like, actually, it's so annoying. Yeah, cheeks are freezing. I'm always gonna be your favorite out of the group. So, make sure to follow my normal Instagram, max_wild44. My Snapchat is the exact same. So, I'll see you next video. Just kidding. That's not. It might be the end of you. I'm not sure. But, Carleigh, how are you writing that?
Coming in hot, players.
Zack, how? So, all of us have Instagram and Snapchat, except for Zack. Zack doesn't have Snapchat, but he does have an Instagram. So, mine is max_wild44. It's the same for both. Lauren's is Laurenn with 2 N's .palmer. Then you have Ethan's Ethan_Holcomb25. Then you have Zack's Z22_Malone. Then you have Carleigh's, what she doesn't really have is just a spam. So Carleigh, CarleigH, JeanSpam. And yeah. Our Snapchats are mine, max_wild44. Lauren's is laurlaurpalmer, Laur Palmer, Palmer. Carleigh's is, what's yours?
What? Carleigh McNairy.
Carleigh McNairy. You'll probably know how. Oh yeah, McNairy is spelled McNairy. Zack's is Z22. Oh wait, no, Zack doesn't have Snapchat. That's right. Ethan is Ethan Holcomb1. Holcomb is spelled HOLCOMB. So make sure to follow all of those, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you sometime when our next video is when the crew hangs out. So yeah, see you next time. apiece. Frick.
All right, so Zach and Lauren are going to be racing on some rockers we have at approximately 9:14 p.m.
Ready? Set. Frick. Wait, what? Zach's taking the lead. Zach's taking the lead. Zach. Zach wins! Team Zach! Let's go! Team Zach!
Get me.
Oh God, I almost ran into a car.
My name is Trey. Basketball game tomorrow.
He's a little different. So,
What'd you just call me?
I called you different.